Oh,
Look at there.
oh, it's just her favorite spot to go there. Go underneath her. Just go like that. Okay. Do you like it?
Right, there's a cricket, right?
Ben,
No,
Ben, it's alright.
I'm not even kidding.
I know, it's alright.
Right in front of your foot.
We have lots of crickets. They get out of the
Man.
cricket cage. Because we feed crickets to reptiles. We get them in by thousands. A thousand in a box.
Wow, that's a lot.
Oh.
So you don't get to do that.
You're really showing off today.
Yes,
She likes Stephanie, I'll tell
she
you.
does. I like her.
Well, she likes that orange. She's got orange on her head, and you match.
I want a parrot.
Well, she's a mulatto, or it's called a salmon cockatoo.
She can really.
I tell you what, little one. If you get a bird this kind, you know what you would have to do?
What?
You would have to make a wheel out for somebody else to take care of her because she lives longer than you.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Hey,
She's talking. I'll tell you, she's telling me all about it.
I know. Hello.
Might have a limited vocabulary, but I can talk.
Telling stories. Is it a
it's a her. Barbie is a her.
That's why
She